In 2025, homeowners are sitting on record equity, but most don't realize what that means for their financial future. If you've owned your home for even a few years, chances are its value has grown, and that growth can be turned into opportunity through a HELOC, or home equity line of credit. Let's say your home's worth $400,000 and you owe $250,000 on your mortgage. That's $150,000 in equity, and lenders often let you access up to 80 or 85% of that amount. That's real money that could go toward home upgrades, debt consolidation, or even a new investment. And with digital HELOC platforms, the process is faster and easier than ever. You can apply online, get rate comparisons instantly, and use a soft credit check to see your options without any impact on your score. At Free Mortgage Rate, our mission is simple: help you find the lowest possible rate, free of hidden fees and unnecessary stress. We'll show you how to make your home's value work for you, instead of just sitting in your walls. I'm Duane Buziak with Free Mortgage Rate. Visit freemortgagerate.com today to get your free, no-obligation HELOC estimate. Because your home's value shouldn't stay hidden. It should help build your future.